Hello. In this example, we are going to look at the Mnemonics Analysis flow. So to utilize this flow tool, we'll need two flow tool blocks. First, we'll need the log input block, and then we'll need to follow that with the Mnemonics Analysis block. In the log input block, we'll just select the database that we would like to analyze, and in the Mnemonics Analysis block, there are actually no options that we need to select. To run this, we click the play button here, located in the top middle of the toolbar, and it'll go through our standard flow of initializing, running, and then finished. Even for large data sets, this typically only takes a few seconds. And once again, similar to the log health check tool, the output at present is just here in the jobs log. So we'll just click here on the sheet of paper. Right, the output here, it'll basically provide a list of all the curves in our project, as well as the number of those curves that are found in the project, and what the alias is that it aliases to. And so if we scroll down this list, we can see when we have curves that are unaliased. So for example here, we see that we have an ROP, or rate of penetration curve, that occurs in 3 of the wells, and that's not aliased, and that is expected behavior. As we continue down, we see a few other of these, such as the total gas curve. Here's one, which is the shallow focus log, specifically with a 1 on the end, so this is probably a derivative curve, and we see that that's present in 1 well. So if we wanted to add this to our alias table, that would be a mnemonic that may be worth adding. And when we get here towards the bottom of the log, what we see are a summary of the available aliases and how many there are in each of these. So we can see that we have a depth curve in all 103 wells, which is what we would expect. We have a resistivity available in 100 of the wells, but there's actually 125 different deep resistivity curves. Once again, in many of these cases, we'll expect there to be more of the aliases available than there are wells, and that's just due to having multiple logging runs or multiple curves of a certain type in a well. And we can use this to think about the type of methodologies we'd like to apply, or if we need to supplement our alias table. Once again, just to look back at this flow tool, it is a log input block followed by the mnemonics analysis block.